Have you been wondering if the Laluz diffuser happens to be the perfect one for you? Well, in this video, I'm gonna break down why I love this diffuser, how to use it, even how to clean it, how to care for it, and some of my favorite diffuser blends. I'm Mandy Sommers, Essential Oil educator and enthusiast. Hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video on Tuesdays. So let's talk about the Laluz diffuser. But before I jump into this, I always like to ask my subscribers and my community, my viewers, to share with me your favorite diffuser blend recipe. Now, this diffuser blend that I'm looking for today is for something that will create a luxurious, just calming space, because that's exactly what this diffuser does. So what is your favorite blend? Go ahead and pop it in the comments below. Now, the Laluz diffuser retails for $49.33, or if you have a doTERRA wholesale account, you can get it for $37 with your 25% off. This diffuser was meant to really create a luxurious space, so it's perfect for retreats. It's awesome for high-end, maybe spas, or if you're wanting your bedroom to feel high-end, this is the diffuser that you want to grab for that. This diffuser, even though it's smaller than some of our other diffusers, it actually creates a diffusing atmosphere for 330 square feet, which is 50 more square feet than the other two diffusers that just came out, and some of our other diffusers that you can find reviews to in the cards above or in the description below. The Laluz diffuser, you put in 120 milliliters of water, and it will continuously output for up to 4 hours on high. And if you want to use the low output button, then it will go for up to 8 hours. It also has a 1, a 2, and a 4-hour option where it just shuts off after that amount of time. Now, the thing to know about this particular diffuser is this top is actually glass. So you want to be very careful with it when you take it off and you set it down. You definitely don't want to put it down like hard on a surface, especially if you're using granite top, like countertop, like I am right here. So to fill it up, you take that off and then you lift this part off as well. You grab your water and you simply fill it to the line that's on the inside here. Now, after that, you only need a few drops of essential oils. I tend to like to do anywhere between 3 to 8 for a diffuser of this size. And you'll know if you watched my humidifier diffuser video that in the Dawn Aroma humidifier, typically you want to put 15 drops in because it's going to be going all night. But with something this size that you probably won't have going all night, I tend to stick to about 6 to 8. So I actually love mixing Holiday Joy with a blend called Motivate, which I didn't grab here. So let's just put Holiday Joy in this one. But if you want a really great smell to add to your Holiday Joy, try Holiday Joy plus Motivate. Those two together are heavenly. My kids love it, I love it, it's so great. Once you put your drops in, you simply line it up, put this right back on, put very carefully your glass top. It's got a rubber sealing there, and I actually like to line up the O with the start button. So as you can see here, here's the power button. This is the light button, and this one controls the amount of mist that's coming out. So we are going to cycle through and change the light. So you have bright, purplish, pink, off. So those are just kind of ambient lights that you have there. And then from here, when you push this, it will go to 1, 2, 4, or off. This controls whether you want a high mist or a low mist. So you just push it and it will slow it down, or put it, that's the higher one. To clean the Laluz diffuser, you simply take the top off. I like to run a little bit of water on it, use a soft cloth to dry it out. And on the inside, do the same thing. You can use a Q-tip to get some of the areas that are harder to reach with just a cloth. But I never submerge it in water. Just so you know, I never submerge the parts in water. I just use either a wet rag or a cloth and Q-tips. Okay, so there you have it. This is such a beautiful diffuser. I love the Laluze. If you want to check out some of my other diffuser videos, you can find them in the cards or in the description below to decide which diffuser you want the most. Now, if you're looking to get a diffuser, please reach out and message me. I'm happy to do a 30-minute consultation. You can also reach out to me to get 25% off to get these diffusers and essential oils. And I always throw a special gift in there if you order from me. So I hope to see you soon. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Hit that subscribe button so you can be notified each time I upload a brand new video. As promised, I always love to give you my free essential oils usage guide at the end of every video. So you can find that link in the description below. Go ahead and click it, put your email in, and it will end up in your inbox probably within 30 seconds. Have a wonderful day. We'll talk to you all very soon. Bye.